Buffer. Hello? In or out? Come on. Hello, it's me. I'm back from a very long break from the internet. And I'm in my hair dyeing shirt. But I'm not dyeing my hair. Which, by the way, look how long it's getting. I'm gonna dye this lady right here. Yeah. Oh, Buffer, you came in. Good job. It's summer and I want a summer color, but I'm trying to grow my hair out really long. So what I'm gonna do, my plan is to use some hair dye that I have left over from the other hair dyeings that I have done. And I'm just gonna mix these together and make some sort of blue to dye this wig. It used to be pink. I did a bleach bath on it so that I could get the pink out so that I could put these blues on it, because I have, one of these is unopened. I think it's this one. I have a Manic Atomic Turquoise, a Bad Boy Blue, and a Siren Song. And just to make sure I have enough, I'm also going to dilute with a little bit of conditioner and make sure you get a silicone-free conditioner so you don't get any buildup. But I'm just going to use that to bulk up the dye so that I have a whole bunch of it. This is a 20-inch platinum blonde wig from, oh, lace front. Forgot to say that. It's a lace front from Minihouse. 20 inches. It's kind of frizzy because I just let it air dry, but chaw. Also, don't forget your gloves, but make sure you don't wear fuzzy gloves because you don't want to get, you know, like fuzzies in your hair dye, because that wouldn't be cool. Okay, apparently these were all new bottles of hair dye and I just had no idea. I buy a lot of hair dye. I don't have a plan. I'm just gonna, I don't know, just maybe I'll just drop some in, a little bit of everything. A little bit of that one. Oh God, I'm gonna make a mess. Okay, that one was Siren Song, and then, wow, this one's thicker. All right. A little bit of Bad Boy Blue and Atomic Turquoise. Yeah. Blah. Oh my God, this one's really thick. Come on. Ooh, maybe it's too old. That can't be possible. I think I bought this one newer. Oh my God, that is not okay. Ugh. Okay. Oh God. You know, I'm still gonna use it. Oh God, that's so gross. Okay, and then a whole bunch of conditioner. There we go. Should be good. Wow, it's really pretty. time to let it sit for a little bit and watch a show. And we've done it, ladies and gentlemen. Blue. I think I'm gonna curl it. See what it looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna curl it. Okay guys, this is how the hair turned out. This beautiful, beautiful blue, bright turquoise. I think that the Siren song color is supposed to like glow in black light or something. I haven't tested it, I don't have a black light, and I didn't even read the bottle. I just looked at the swatch and I grabbed it. So it's mixed in there. If you mix the same colors or if you just use Siren song, let me know if it glows. Also, if you want one of these wigs, you can go to Minihouse8888.com and use my coupon code LinzMushel for 10% off. Or if you're watching this during summer, they usually pretty much always have a summer sale for 20% off. And right now in 2019, it's the code SUMMERFUN. And follow them on Instagram because they do monthly giveaways of like wigs and extensions and sometimes tape-ins, I think. Follow them on Instagram. They do a bunch of stuff like that, giveaways, and they're always doing sales. They're super inexpensive, so with that 20% off, I'm sorry, my cat really wants attention. Get comfortable. With that 20% off, it's just extra inexpensive. So just thought I'd let you guys know. Okay, you want attention, but then when I give you the attention, you want to leave? What is it? Here, come here. Let's come say hi. Don't just stand in the background. Come on, boy. Also, this adorable shirt, I got it off of eBay. If you're interested, I'll link it down below. If you hi, I see you. The reason I'm using wigs more often is because I'm trying to grow out my hair. I'm getting married and I want to have the most natural hair possible for my wedding. So yeah, my hair's actually getting really long. It's like down to here now. It's kind of exciting because for the longest time on YouTube, my hair was like right here. And it's so much easier to wear hair extensions now. I'm still not used to it. Like I end up putting my hair extensions in like I did when it was short and I don't have to anymore. And sometimes I can leave it straight. Like my number one tip for people with short hair who want to wear hair extensions is to curl it in, like most people do that, to curl it to blend it. But I don't even have to do that anymore. I just have to leave it straight. It's amazing. I forgot what it felt like. Anyway, before I start blabbering way too much and this little boy starts knocking over the camera, I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!